Real-time e-commerce price. Monitoring in 2026. Competitive price. Tracking and product data insights. As global e-commerce continues to expand rapidly and consumers shop across multiple channels, smart businesses are turning to real-time price monitoring services and using competitive price comparison insights to improve margins, protect brand value, and respond quickly to market changes. A key enabler of this shift is e-commerce data scraping, which extracts structured product and pricing data from multiple marketplaces. This enables dynamic pricing decisions at SKU-level precision, supporting competitor price intelligence and faster response cycles. Why real-time e-commerce? Price monitoring is the new competitive battleground. Industry analyst eMarketer forecasts that while retail e-commerce growth may slow somewhat in 25, renewed momentum is expected in 26 with emerging markets and AI-powered automation. And consider the pricing intelligence market itself. The price monitoring software market is projected to reach $2.17 billion by 26, growing at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of nearly 13%. These numbers highlight an important fact. As more commerce moves online, pricing becomes more visible, competitive, and dynamic than ever before. Manual approaches are simply no longer enough. Businesses require automated pricing intelligence and real-time competitor price tracking to maintain profitability and market relevance. What is real-time e-commerce, price monitoring, and why it matters in 2026? Real-time means capturing, analyzing, and acting on pricing data as it changes across competitors, marketplaces, resellers, and your own sales channels. It's about turning live data into live decisions. Why is this critical for 26? Consumer behavior is continuously shifting. Regional promotions, marketplace entrants, discount wars, pricing transparency means your competitors' pricing moves may instantly influence perception and conversion. Margin pressure is constant. Losing a few percentage points because you were slow to adjust is more costly than ever. Brand integrity and minimum advertised price (MAP) compliance issues can damage value if ignored. According to recent research, 78% of US e-commerce businesses are already using AI-enabled pricing automation tools to automate analysis and adapt in real time. 2025 data. If your pricing strategy still relies on yesterday's reports or manual checks, you're already behind competitors who use automation, data intelligence, and real-time insights. Real-time pricing intelligence is supported by dynamic pricing, automation powered through competitor price tracking, and e-commerce product data extraction, ensuring pricing decisions are accurate, timely, and scalable. Additionally, MAP monitoring software protects brand pricing integrity across reseller networks. How price comparison and AMP, competitor price tracking, strengthen market positioning. While price monitoring tracks and alerts, price comparison provides a broader, analytical view of where your brand stands in the market across channels, regions, and customer perception. Strategic advantages of price comparison. Benchmarking power. Identify whether your brand is priced above, below, or aligned with the market average. This is vital for defining brand positioning, premium, value, or mass market. Boosts consumer trust. Visibility and consistency in price. Comparison checks improve conversions and loyalty among informed online shoppers. Data-driven discounting. Know exactly when to run promotions based on competitor movement rather than instinct, ensuring maximum impact. Inventory optimization. Detect regional demand dips or over-competition zones to realign stock and pricing. Predictive pricing. Move from reactive to proactive, using historical and comparative data to foresee competitor price shifts before they happen. In short, pricing intelligence is a key part of your digital commerce growth strategy, not just a supplementary activity. Pricing intelligence and e-commerce product data trends in 2026. Real-time pricing automation becomes standard. According to a 2025 pricing trend report, real-time pricing updates are becoming the norm rather than the exception. AI and predictive analytics adoption increases. Retailers are using AI not just to set prices, but to forecast competitor moves, demand shifts, and adjust pricing dynamically. Greater product-level granularity. Monitoring extends beyond SKUs to variants, regions, and even time-of-day pricing. Cross-functional integration. Pricing data now supports supply chain, inventory, and marketplace compliance. Proactive market shaping. Businesses begin to influence market prices rather than just follow them. These emerging trends are supported heavily by e-commerce and retail data scraping and automated competitive intelligence systems, enabling businesses to extract structured pricing data at scale. How to implement real-time price monitoring and AMP. Dynamic Pricing 2026 Roadmap. Here's a checklist to get your e-commerce business aligned for 2026. 1. Define your monitoring scope. Identify key competitors, channels, and product categories that matter most. Upgrade your toolset. Choose a provider of scalable web data scraping services and competitive tracking tools that support real-time data collection, smart alerts, and scalable API integration. Benchmark intelligently. Understand where you stand compared to market average, top performers, and value players. Automate dynamic pricing. Trigger real-time price or promotion changes while protecting minimum margins. 5. Enforce MAP compliance. The chaos of third-party sellers requires automated monitoring to maintain brand integrity. Iterate and refine. Regularly analyze what worked, what didn't, and improve your approach. Measure ROI. Track the impact of pricing changes on conversion rates, average order value, and overall profitability. How DataGrass enables scalable real-time e-commerce. Pricing intelligence. DataGrass stands at the forefront of real-time price intelligence and product data analytics, helping e-commerce brands and retailers make smarter, faster, and more profitable pricing decisions at scale. Trusted by global brands, DataGrass combines AI-driven insights with human expertise to turn complex pricing data into actionable intelligence. Whether you manage thousands of SKUs or operate across multiple marketplaces, our solutions scale easily to your business goals. With our price monitoring services, you can track competitor pricing across channels, marketplaces, and regions. Detect MAP violations or unauthorized discounting immediately. Monitor stock availability, promotions, and trends in product visibility. Access customizable dashboards featuring both live and historical pricing analytics. And with our price comparison solutions, you can benchmark your pricing strategy in real time against your competitors. Identify opportunities to optimize conversions or margins. Understand how customers perceive your pricing across regions. The main challenge in 2026 is managing scale and data complexity. DataGrass addresses this by offering two flexible deployment options. Managed services. Let our experts handle end-to-end monitoring, data cleaning, and analytics, providing you with clean, actionable dashboards and continuous expert support. Self-managed solutions. Run the system independently in your own environment. This ensures full data ownership and smooth integration across your existing infrastructure. Ready to lead your market? DataGrass empowers you to monitor dynamically, compare intelligently, and act proactively. Businesses that master real-time price monitoring and strategic price comparison in 2026 won't just survive. They'll shape the competitive landscape ahead. Transform your pricing strategy into a lasting competitive advantage. Explore DataGrass price monitoring and price comparison solutions today and boost your e-commerce growth with real-time product data intelligence.